to our YouTube channel. This is your host Avelino Lino. For today's video, we're going to make a homemade coffee bar station. I make a hanging wall divider made of wooden plank and metal brace, and I cover the wooden planks of a vinyl sticker. I'll also make a DIY chalkboard signage for my coffee bar station. And now I'll put a old wooden window with the attachment of a metal hook for the coffee cup. I put it on the center so that we have an accent wall. At the same time, it's holding the coffee cup. As you can see, I'll put the coffee cup, selected coffee cup, on the metal hook. The chalkboard signage I have also in the description link. Now I'll put a cabinet. I place a cabinet, the one I DIY'd already, last video uploaded. The rustic distress cabinet, where I put the collection of my mugs and coffee cups. So I place and display my collections of my mugs. That's so very easy and very fun, exciting to do it. I know, guys. It's also one therapeutical reliever to decorate our house. Then I'll put also accent also shelves. Then I'll put the small cups, cups of for espresso coffee cup. I'll put on the top. I'll put the link on my description box. Just check it out. This cabinet, this distress rustic cabinet, I already uploaded this video. So just check it out. I'll put the link on the descriptions. Just check it out, and please, I really love coffee, so that I make a decision to have a coffee bar, at least a simple homemade coffee bar station, and also to showcase my collections of my coffee mugs and teacups as well. Then I'll put my electric oven on the top of the cabinet, and a wooden planks on the top. And then I put in a corner a bamboo twigs to at least accessorize the corner of the wall. The water heater and my coffee maker. I just want to shout out our channel members and also our viewers, our silent viewers, our organic viewers, and returning viewers. Thank you so much, guys, for always continuing to support my channels. And to all newcomers who visit my YouTube channels, please consider to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will notified to my next upcoming videos, DIY tutorials, simply like this. And here it goes, at least. And now let's make the other part, the other side. I'll put a curtain, a simple curtain, so that we cover the open space at the back of our coffee bar station. Just arrange the curtain at least. And now let's decorate the upper part of the hanging divider. I'll put an accent greenery on the corner. It's so fun to decorate our homes, guys. So if you are nothing to do in your homes, just simply to reorganize or simply beautify our small spaces so that the positive energy imbibes, and also very welcoming to our especially to our guests. Cleaning and decorating house is also one stress reliever. And by the way, Yuletide season is on the way, so let's us beautify and decorate our houses. And here's our work. Hope you like it, guys. Just simply a coffee bar station at home. Welcome to my coffee bar. Enjoy your coffee and tea. If you like this video, guys, just give me a big likes, share, and also don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bells so that will notify you as for our upcoming videos. Thank you so much for joining with me. See you guys to our next video. Keep safe, everyone. Thank you. Goodbye.